Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Dishrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining about Supreme Kalki Avatar. Param Shanti. Look, when Supreme had come, Almighty had come. Supreme means Almighty Authority. On coming, what he will do and how? How he will change the intellect of every soul, may they are incorporeal or subtle or gross souls. In Kalki Avatar, it was shown a sword in his hand. Sword means supreme knowledge. Hand symbolize the wisdom. Horse means its horse of mind. He will have wide knowledge, means knowledge of infinite universal transformation. That how big is infinite universe. He gives that knowledge. Then, how can this knowledge reach us up to the intellect of every soul? How it can touch us every soul? First, every soul knows the knowledge. Different type of category souls are there on earth. Some are with half celestial power, some with 1 celestial, some are with 2 celestial, 4 celestial, 8 celestial, 50, 100 celestial, 200 celestial, 500 celestial, 1000 celestial, some have infinite celestial power. Celestial means its measurement of soul's power. With celestial, one can justify how much celestial power does a soul had. We says watt has measurement of electricity, like 1 watt, 40 watts, 50 watts, 100 watts, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt. Likewise, here we use it to say celestial instead of watt. 1 watt means 1 celestial powered soul. We says that Sri Krishna is Solahkala Sampurn, Sampurn Nirvikari double light. That means with 16 celestial imperturbable double light. Who went to BK, they knows well about this. I made enough videos on Ram and Sri Krishna. Watch them. Complete atmosphere will fills with knowledge. Every soul knows about the knowledge, may subtle or gross souls. Every one will move towards the knowledge. Knowledge will spreads in complete atmosphere. All around you finds only knowledge. Then all type of different category souls will in search of knowledge. Scientists have used the word up to multiverse. Anantakoti Brahmand means one galaxy. One solar system means one Brahmand. Likewise, billions of solar systems together called as one galaxy. This Anantakoti Brahmand was used in Shastras. Everyone will in search of knowledge and time. Like Brahma's 100 years means its age of one solar system. Brahma's 1 day is equals to 1000 Kshatriyugas on earth. They also understands about time, time of infinite. Infinite celestial universe is running according to infinite time of infinite universe. Then, what and which type of celestial was it? All these are explained in my videos of celestial. But why this happens? Because destructive people are in subtle world as well as in gross world also. They are saying that complete world will be devastated and only we people 9 lakh will be persist. In path of devotion also some people are saying that complete world will devastated and only 33 crore deities will get out. You get videos about this on coming days. You will see. Today I am making this video on 24th June 2020 at 11:30 am. What happens in coming days? What you are seeing now is nothing when compared to coming days, because destructive people made destructive thoughts in gross and subtle world. Gross and subtle world will face destruction, and with fear they trembles and prays to their favorite deities. Fear commands obedience. But their favorite deities are in subtle world. All deities of different religion, communities, cult are in subtle world. They can't help the people who are on earth from subtle world. And on other side, a terrific atmosphere of third world war will take form. The whole world starts to think that these atom bombs and missiles will destroy this world. These destructive vibrations will have that much intensity because crores of people are doing meditation for destruction, and 9 lakh infinite souls are also with the destructive group. 16,000, 9 lakh, and some 1008 souls. Some of 108 souls are also with them. and some special category souls are also there. I told you before that there are different quality of souls. Then everyone will search for knowledge, the knowledge which can save them, the knowledge which gives support to them. Everyone will be aware of soul conscious knowledge that at first recognize yourself and become soul conscious. To save themselves, everyone run after the knowledge. Everywhere they find the knowledge in YouTube's, social media, TV channels. Everyone will circulate the knowledge how to save oneself. The situation of the world, atmosphere of world becomes so much worse. With Third World War atmosphere, people will run for help with shiver. That's why knowledge spreads everywhere. People will search for knowledge which can save them. Then people will search for infinite divine knowledge. Slowly, high quality souls, 16,000, 9 lakh will also comes with help of knowledge. 33 crore deities also listen the knowledge from atmosphere. And some settled souls also enters into humans and listens the knowledge. They listens day and night on YouTube. Everywhere, only knowledge will apparent. In coming days, everyone will search for knowledge, and with knowledge, they starts to do meditate. Everyone becomes soul conscious and spreads supreme peace vibrations. Slowly, these supreme peace vibrations will touch us to every soul. May it settle or gross soul or incorporeal. Then, slowly, everyone will have supreme peace. Then, infinite souls will project supreme light, and with that supreme light, everyone becomes soul conscious. Supreme light spreads automatically on staying in soul conscious. Along with supreme peace, supreme light will spreads. Then every soul on getting supreme light, they obtains divine vision. Every soul obtains divine vision and soul conscious. Slowly, this manifest world turns into unmanifested, and everyone will have sakshatkars of Almighty Authority, who is infinite universal creator. Creator of infinite celestial universe came by in himself, but no one could not find him. At the last moment, everyone will have sakshatkar automatically. 108 and 1008 infinite souls will play a great role. They make great fortune, infinite fortune. Now time is very limited and very less number of infinite souls are making their fortune. They are making very little amount of fortune. Infinite souls also got stuck in illusion. There is infinite knowledge at infinite souls, but there is no enough sacrifice and penance. At present time also they didn't become nastomo and ichamatra avidya, means detached and desireless. They got stuck in attachments. They are not making their fortune. That's why Jnanadan Mahadan. On spreading knowledge, one can make their fortune, but they are not spreading the knowledge to all. How much knowledge do one spreads, that much fortune one have. So those who will spread the knowledge in complete gross and settled world, they will have a great fortune. Param Shanti.